Excellent safety and tactical play on both sides, but in fact the first three frames have all been decided with breaks. 73 and 61 from Wilson for 2-0, 73 from Trump, reducing it to 2-1. Trump attempted that red in the knowledge that he was going to get the cue ball round behind the back of the black and red to at least put distance between cue ball and object ball for Wilson if he missed it. But maybe not enough distance. The way Wilson's been potting, that was a bit of a let off. But Trump fails to take advantage.
Love the way he played that. Kyren Wilson played it so gently, gave the cue ball every chance to get the backspin. Played this nicely, although it's quite an easy shot for a player Kyren's class.
3. Yeah, 4.
This is where the modern game, this playing for this next red, the modern game, these players are brilliant at potting the red, bringing the others into play, even if they've got to screw into the bottom of the bunch and get the cue ball moving. Find out, he's playing for it in the same pocket. You see they're low on it, this is where they excel. He could probably push through it for the black in the opposite, but he will
11.
screw this in, I feel, just to get a few more reds into play. Good shot, played it with control.
12.
Push 2 or 3 out.
$19.
Didn't expect him to miss it,
Kyren Wilson, 19.
but it was pretty straight and he had to bump it in to get the desired black ball position.
Yeah, he just tried to pinch the pocket, didn't he? Put it in off the near jaw, and you play it with pace. It's likely to go in if you brush that near knuckle on the way in. Unexpected reprieve, Judd Trump.
Wilson's
1.
first significant mistake of the evening cost him 73 in the last frame. How much is that mistake going to cost him?
Green ball. $4.
just hoping that the apex red at the top of the cluster of 6 will pass to this corner, because it's not a good pack to go into the back of the bunch right now. That's why he's played high on the black.
5.
Yes, the back of the bunch is too flat, too level than he would like.
Bit of pace in this, has to be accurate. Yeah, those are missable.
12.
Dropping it in is no problem, but when you play this with any pace, it has to be right in the heart of the pocket.
Yes, rather like Wilson's mistake the shot before. The pot itself, not difficult, but obtaining good position was. Not an easy shot, but Wilson is such a good potter that I did think it more likely he would pot that rather than not. In these best of 11s, there's an interval after 4 frames, and I'm sure Trump would be very pleased if he could level up at 2-all at the mid-session. Wilson having made the running up to 2-0. Such a good long pot though from Wilson.
Yes, here it is again. Such a good potter of awkward balls, which that was. Now, one good positional shot now, just to set this frame up for Kyren, as Clive said, mid-session interval coming up. Massive difference. 3-1 and 2-all, obviously.
5.
Short again.
6.
Table's definitely slowed down just a fraction. Maybe just about top side. He can go on and off the cushion. Yeah, actually he's fine. But an excellent chance to go in with a 3-1 lead.
11. Twelve.
Has he come far enough? Just about
Point.
made it.
$27. $28. $33.
Yeah, as I
34.
said before the match tonight, that interesting match up this. A lot of Judd Trump's opponents are intimidated. I suppose you can only really be intimidated by someone if you give them permission mentally to intimidate you. Kyren Wilson certainly doesn't do that.
41.
Callan on the end red, left him on this one.
$42.
So the simple blue is effectively frame ball.
Yeah, nothing extravagant, nothing over exuberant, just good
47.
solid match snooker. Kyren Wilson misses very little, super reliable in the potting side of it.
48.
Little swipe of the cue there. He knows he's going to have that 3-1 into the lead.
$55. $56.
Which means there's a break over 60
$61.
in each of the first 4 frames this evening. 73 and
62.
61 from Wilson in leading 2-0. 73 from Trump in winning the 3rd frame.
$69.
And now a possible 96 clearance for Wilson for 3-1.
$71.
Yeah, we often speak about Juddy. The juddernaut, isn't it? He keeps coming at you. Kyren Wilson keeps coming at you as well, but in a different way.
74.
So consistent. See, nothing flashy, just
78.
general excellence, really. That's what he's been tonight. Couple of mistakes, but nothing to be concerned about. Judd's got it all to do
83.
after the interval.
Now how good is he left-handed? Good
89.
enough for that shot anyway.